We're at the La Paz Apartments here in Burlingame. Ooh. Alice. That date's passed. This grab her on. God. This thing runs like a LULA. It's so slow. 1421 Bellevue.
It travels out like Homeland Street.
Interesting cab. I like the wood around the COP, the trim up here. Pretty scratched up the top. Yeah, the COP is in really bad shape compared to a lot of other ones we've seen. See how slow we're going? I can't even tell. But we're literally moving like... Man, we could have gone all the way up to the top, all the way back down to the bottom on the stairs.